Hey guys, how you doing? It's your boy JT again with the BDM opportunity. I'm in it to win it. Been in this opportunity a while. I love it. One of the reasons I love it is multiple streams of income tied up in one opportunity. Guys, if you're like me, you're tired of jumping from opportunity to opportunity to opportunity to opportunity. And I see that so much, man. I get a guy or two or three people that promote something this month, then next month they promote something else. They promote something this month, the next month they promote something else. It's like they're not settled. It's time for you guys to find an opportunity, and if it don't be this one, find one that you want to work, that you want to do, and stick to it. You thinking because you hadn't made any money yet, it's the opportunity. No, it's not. You haven't given it a chance. You haven't given it time. I've been there, and I just got tired. I'm just tired, you know. Uh, I ain't saying I won't do another opportunity. That ain't what I'm saying. But if you check the record, I've been in this one for about 4, maybe 5 months now, and I know 4 months, and I like it. This is a multiple stream income opportunity. Let me show you guys something. All you do is join like this. Now I recommend all 6 of these positions. I got these positions. I got all 8 of them, right? But you don't have to. That's the flare multiplier. That's crypto. You don't have to do that. You don't want to. Eventually, you may want to do that. But if you got all 6 of these opportunities right here, every last one of them, guys, every last one of these opportunities right here, you out $168 one time out of pocket. That's it. Money go right into your back office, into your back office account. You put that money into your Wise account, and immediately it goes into your bank account. I love it. This is cash money. Cash money. This is a crowdfunding opportunity. All right. Anybody know about crowdfunding? You know what I'm talking about. It's just like a cash opportunity. All right. Or if you don't have the 168, that's what I love about it. You can come in at $84 one time out of pocket. You can come in at 31.50 one time out of pocket. Or $10 one time out of pocket. 10.50 anyway. So what this not a low ticket opportunity, guys. This actually is a big ticket opportunity. And I think you guys are passing up and missing a wonderful opportunity. What you're able to do, guys, it's just with the 1x2 matrix. I'm not going to do everything today, but just with the 1x2 matrix, guys, you got all 10 of these positions right here. That's your potential income. All right. Down level 5, right? That's with 32 people that will follow you all the way through the matrix. 32 people that's leveraging $10 one time out of pocket. You can't find no opportunity they're gonna pay you $4,464 over and over again because it's a cycle with 32 people following you in each opportunity. You're not gonna find an opportunity out there like that that will pay you over and over again this type of money. It's reason why I'm telling you it's a multiple stream income system because you're going to be making 80% income. And that one, when you cycle, 80% right there, 80% right there, 80% right there. All right, I'm going to go to the next one. This the elite. Listen, all we're doing is we're leveraging up from where we was at with the at the $100. We go to the 250, the 500, the 1,000. Now, 2 people, personal, averaging 2 referral. This is just you know for illustration purposes only. Not saying it'll happen to you, but it can happen. It can easily happen, guy, with a $10 opportunity. All right, and leverage it up. So you go from the 250 to the 500 to the 1,000. The same 32 people following you from the $10 opportunity all the way through these opportunities, and this the type of money that you'll be making over and over again. That's a cycle. Plus this money right here. So, for the 3, for the 4, 47,000, almost $48,000 or more. A cycle. That can be in a week. That can be in a month. That can be every 2 months. If you got that type of cycle every 3 months, guys, come on. Be real. Now that's just on the $1,000 level. Let me show you something. This is not a small ticket opportunity, but a big ticket opportunity. This is the grand of the grand. Now you come in, like I said, at smaller levels. Hopefully, you guys would, come in like I showed you in the beginning, because there's also another stream. It's called a dual stream. I'm not going to advertise that yet. You can. I'm just talking about on the 1x2 cycler right now, guys. $10 one time out of pocket. All right, get a few cycles, go to the 20. Get a few cycles, go to the 50. Get a few cycles, go to the 100. Get a few cycles, go to 250, 500, 1,000, right? Get a few cycles, go to 2,500. Get a few cycles, go to 5,000, 7,500, 10,000, all the way till we hit $20,000. Now, when we leverage $10, and it won't happen overnight, maybe 2 years from now. All right. I'm gonna tell you something, guys. 2 years gonna come anyway, whether you're doing anything or not. That's why I'm gonna stay here for 2 years, because I would like to see that goal. I know what it takes in this opportunity. It just takes me to really get two good people that are working just like me. All right. And that's all it takes for you. Right. Get some people that see the vision and that's not uh shining object syndrome prone. Every time they see an opportunity, oh yeah, it's better than the one I got. I'm going over here. It's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. And you're not gonna make any money. How do you know that? Because I've been there. All right, thought goes, energy goes where thought goes. So whatever you're thinking on, that's where you put your energy at. And when you drop it, you're thinking on one opportunity, you go over here. Now you're left all the energy over here on this opportunity. You got to go over here. If you stay focused, guys, stay focused on an opportunity in a year or two, you'll see some results. I'm telling you, it ain't gonna happen overnight. You've been burnt by the guru. Sorry to bust that bubble. Nah, that ain't happening. This is the goal 2 years from now. Now, if you're cycling just on the $20,000 level, but you got to remember all these opportunities, all these gonna be cycling from the $10 all the way to these. You're gonna have money coming in your back office every day. Just $10 and two people. Man, how if you can't put two people in a $10 opportunity, come on, guys. You need to get out the industry. Well, I got one that's gonna pay 500, and I'm gonna go promote that. Okay, good luck on that too. But I asked the company to build a matrix for this position, the 250. I think it'll convert a little bit more better. But we'll see about that. We're looking at doing that in the future. But my name is James Trust, guys. $10 one time out of pocket. Go on and lock yourself in the position and I welcome you into the opportunity, and I'm here to help you any way I can. And just talk to people. I pass out business cards, I mail postcards, I talk to people, and I got people. I wake up almost every day with some money in my back office. All right, guys, that's it on this video. Click the link, join me. I'll see you at the top. Bye.